We provide security for the industrial IoT, and we work with a couple of companies and kind of research centers such as Aachen in Germany and AMRC Factory 2050 in the UK. And I think one of the key parts to this is of course securing the data and also authentication and protecting the IoT platform. So for example, if you have a number of devices connecting into your platform, it's really important that you have the authentication mechanisms in place so that the IoT platform can basically check, with the devices connecting in, that they are the legitimate devices. And to do that, we have obviously authentication technology in place that we leverage on devices that automates the process of getting keys, not stored on the devices, but kind of decentralized into a platform. And what Device Authority delivers is a key scaler platform that keeps all the keys, and that we leverage then to sign pieces of data that the device is then used to authenticate into the platform. And that kind of gives you both end-to-end encryption and also strong authentication. And you basically protect the data, and you also protect the IoT platform. And that's basically what the core strength of the Keyscaler security solution.